Hello folks, this is Chris Morwood. With the introduction of the Google Analytics 4, I found it difficult to find the tracking number, and I did a little bit of research and came up with a solution. I thought I'd share it with everyone here at Wealthy Affiliate, and we're just going to get right to it. So to get to Google Analytics, I do a search. Login. I want to go straight to the Google Analytics login page. Just a little bit easier for myself. I think you can go into your Google ID, but in this case I'm logged straight in. So what you're going to do is create a property with your website, provided that you have your own domain. So come down here to admin. You're going to create a property. In the property details, in this case I use this is door. Right there. And new typing fingers. I am in Canada. I know I'm -5 on the GMT, so looking for Toronto typically. Oh, these Canadian dollars. And then here's the trick. You show advanced options. Go to advanced options, and we're going to create a universal property. Tick that box. And now what I found the simplest for myself is to simply create a universal analytics property only. For me, sometimes it's just best to keep it simple. These are the tools that I'm using is the universal analytics property. Put in my website URL. This is door.com. We need to set up some of the parameters regarding to describe the property. Now about the business. Say that this is business because this is my Wealthy Affiliate business, and then small, so one employee. And then I'd like to be able to measure my customer engagement on the site. And you can go through and check all these appropriate boxes, but for me, that's all I'll use for now. And then create. Loading, voila, here it is. So this is the tracking ID. You want to cut and paste that into your search engine, your SEO add-on on your website. That's it for today. I hope you have an excellent day, getting better and better every day in every way. Thank you.